In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade to TurboTax Free Edition to avoid fees. If you want to cut out unnecessary costs, downgrading can be a smart move, as long as your tax return is simple enough to qualify for the free edition. I'll walk you through the process and point out what to watch for so you don't hit any snags. With your return open in TurboTax, start by finding the option labeled Switch Products. Depending on your screen size or version, this may appear in a menu or settings area. If you don't see it right away, look for account or product links rather than anything inside the actual tax questions. The Switch Products link is what lets you change the level of service you're using without starting over. Once you click Switch Products, choose Downgrade. This tells TurboTax that you want to move to a lower cost option. Don't worry, your entries so far should stay intact. You're not deleting your return or losing your progress. You're just changing which features are active for your file. It's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure you're comfortable with the change before moving ahead. Next, take a moment to read the message about free edition limitations. This part is important. The free edition is designed for straightforward returns, and TurboTax will outline what's included and what isn't. If your situation involves forms or deductions that the free edition doesn't support, you may be asked to upgrade again later. Reading the details here can save time and frustration and ensures you won't miss anything essential for your tax situation. If you're unsure whether you qualify, look for any notes about complexity and supported forms, and consider whether your return is truly simple. If everything looks good, click Downgrade to Free Edition. By doing this, you're confirming you understand the limitations and want to proceed without the added features of the paid products. Remember, you can always move back up later if TurboTax determines your return requires it, and your information will carry forward, so you won't be re-entering everything from scratch. Finally, continue your tax return. Work through the remaining sections as usual. Keep an eye out for any notifications that a certain entry isn't supported in the free edition. If your return stays simple, you'll be able to finish and file without the extra fees. It's also smart to review your entries for accuracy before moving to the final steps. That's it. Quick, clear, and cost-effective. If your return is simple, this downgrade can help you file confidently without paying for features you don't need.